Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio device in this 2014 Volvo XC60. So first of all, we go to settings, we go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth's on, then we're watching out at the bottom, over to your center console here, it's on nav at the moment, so we click telephone, and then we click, it says no phone connected, OK to connect, OK. See, to my way of thinking, you'd need to wind it down to OK to connect and then click OK, but you don't. You've just got to click OK. So search for new phone, make car discoverable. I'm sure it is, but I'll just click on there anyway. Car in discoverable mode. Looking out here, my XC60, click on that. Do you want to connect to Barry's iPhone 13 Pro? OK to connect, exit, so that's exit there, and that's OK, so we click OK. And then Bluetooth pairing request, pair. Does it match the numeric key? Well, yes, it did. So again, OK. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow, just turn that down. The audio streaming came on straight away, so let's just see, it'll say my XC60 connected. So that's it done.